Alright folks, you've asked for it for years. We've got it. An attachment system for flatbands for the torque slingshot. A lot of folks enjoy shooting flatbands in the slingshot, but not everybody enjoys tying them on with the wrap and tuck method. So we have made the FlipClip X for the torque. So this video we're going to show you how to install them. If you have any other slingshots that utilize the FlipClip X, it's going to be the same method. Alright, so you'll notice these are asymmetrical. When you put these on your slingshot, you're going to make sure that the Simple Shot logo goes towards the middle of the fork. Of course, once you put them up to the slingshot, you'll be able to tell quite quickly that one side is not correct for the other. You'll want to make sure that your hole comes straight through. So, to get them set up, first figure out which side is the target side for your preferred hand hold. Of course, some people hold the torque in ways that it wasn't designed, and that's just fine. But do identify the target side of your slingshot. I hold the slingshot in my right hand, so I'm going to place the clips on the target side, this side. So first, simply put the clip in place and start the threads. All you need to do is get the threads started and let them hang out there. Now you can use a screwdriver or you can use a coin. Today I'm going to use a penny. Alright, I'm not going to go into details about the orientation of how I put these flatbands on. Everybody does it a little differently. I'm going to do it the way I like to do it. You simply insert the band until it touches the screw. Once the band has been inserted to where it touches the screw, you want to hold it in place with your fingers. Now you can simply tighten it down and snug it up. Now these are machine screws and you can generate a lot of torque with these. So you simply need to snug them down. No sense in trying to lock it down like a lug nut. You're not going to break them, but you don't need to put that much force on them. So that one is attached, good to go. We're going to do the same thing with the opposite side. So there it is, installed. You notice that the logo is facing the center of the yoke. Your bands are nicely seated. Be sure to check them before you come to full draw. You're good to go. Now you can shoot flat bands on your torque slingshot without using the wrap and tuck. So check out the FlipClip X for the torque slingshot, only at Simple Shot. Thanks for taking a look.